What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a crawl vlog. Haven't done one of these in a while. I had to go back and check, but it appears I stopped on number 6. So here we are at lucky number 7. Finally getting some really nice weather, and we wanted to go on a little hike up to a spot and crawl when we get there. So we got our carritas strapped to our bags, and we're gonna go on a little hike up to a nice little spot, and when we get there, we'll share it with you guys. Oh, look at all this water raging. There's still snow here. Snow's still melting. This is really pretty. Well, all right, guys, we made it. This is called Catfish Pond. So I don't know what the year was. I'm not a historian, but the Chinese, when they were building the railroad over Donner Summit here, they stocked this with catfish. And of course, we forgot to bring the bread. So we can throw the bread and the fish would come. But yeah, that's not gonna happen because I forgot the bread. So
we're gonna have to sacrifice Mr. Propaganda.
No. So we're gonna hang out for a few, and then I'm gonna set up and do a little bit of crawling. This whole area, I mean, for miles and miles, is just crawling and crawling and crawling. So it's pretty sweet. So we're just gonna hang out, relax. So right over here is Lake Angela. You might know that from Axial Fest. So Axial Fest is actually at that ski mountain. So if you look up here, you can see the ski lift and those towers. Hopefully in the background there, that's kind of where, well, not kind of, but that is where Axial Fest is. This is just a hop, jump, and a skip away. I found this by accident one day, and I've been coming back ever since. I know it's kind of a popular little spot. People like to come here, and I really like to come here now too. And maybe, just maybe, I'll take a quick dip in this. I have no idea. So yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I need your cheat log, babe.
What?
Cheat log.
Cheat log?
Cheat log. We're gonna use a cheat log. Okay. Let's see what happens now.
You didn't put it right.
Ah! I did it. Okay. So Mrs. Propaganda does it. We did it. Wow. Very nice. All right, guys, just got done crawling around here. We explored all around. I found some really sweet lines, and it's just a beautiful day. No complaints here. We had a lot of fun, and we're just gonna relax and enjoy the rest of our day.
Yes, and also I got news for you guys. I got a new RC truck coming in the mail anytime soon. And if you think you can guess what it is, comment down below.
All right, so thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate it. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also leave a like on the video, and
We catch you in the next one.